Nicole, I'm having such a hard time finding a house for my clients, something that is from the 1920s with the original character, but has seen, the big ticket items upgraded while still preserving that character, for at least 1,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. Like, I just can't find this.
Oh my gosh, we need something to pull us there. We need like real estate gods or like a sign or like something, like some sort of magic to get us that perfect house.
Where are we gonna find such a thing? Huh? What the heck is this?
Box of character? Open it up.
Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa. Sandeep, I think this is it. I think this is the character house.
Yeah, wow.
Oh my gosh, have you seen this place? The original wood trim? Look at this fireplace and the stained glass inserts. Oh my gosh, Sandeep, have you seen how high the ceilings are in this dining room?
What an awesome upstairs space. Here's the upgrades I was talking about. Newer windows, newer shingles, practical living space, and an updated bathroom. Nicole, you have to see this upstairs space.
I'll check out the upstairs later, Sandeep. I am way too busy loving this kitchen. And oh my gosh, this space here, Sandeep, they are gonna love it. Where's that box? What else can we find? Sandeep, have you seen the character in this place?
Yeah, have you seen the upgrades to this house too? Newer windows, newer shingles, updated current electrical wiring, and more. Incredible.
What else is in this box? Whoa!
What a backyard.
It's the river!
What a great patio, fireplace set up over here, mature trees. You can smell the foliage. Hey Nicole, how's it going over there?
This place is amazing. Like, this is the absolute cherry on the top.
Right? This is the house with the character and the upgrades. This is the one we were looking for.
So perfect. Now, how do we get out of here?
That's a good question. Let's go from here.